If your fish suddenly looks like a prickly balloon, you've got a porcupine fish. Meet the porcupine fish. This underwater marvel has a superpower. When it feels threatened, it puffs up like a balloon and shows off its sharp spines. Imagine a football with spikes. That's one way to say back off, buddy. But wait, there's more. Porcupine fish have big, adorable eyes and tiny beak-like teeth. They might look cuddly, but those spines mean business. These fish can double their size in seconds. It's their secret weapon against predators. And get this, inside their bodies is a special elastic stomach. They gulp in water or air to inflate. Pretty cool, right? So next time you're snorkeling, keep an eye out for this spiky surprise. Just remember, look, don't touch. Porcupine fish are awesome, but those spines are sharp. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more amazing nature facts.